In this video, I'll be using Rain-X foaming car wash concentrate inside of this cheap eBay foam cannon. I really like this cannon. There's really only one thing I really don't like about it, and that is how small the input is here where you put your soap and stuff in there. Like, if you put the water in there, then try to put the soap in there, it just keeps bubbling up and you just can't get nothing in there. So that's really the only thing I don't like about it. Other than that, it's pretty sweet. And I realize that this is probably not the stuff I should maybe be using. I know it's definitely not the best stuff to put in here. I haven't got around to getting some of that Chemical Guy stuff. I think they carry that at like AutoZone. I got an O'Reilly's like right outside of my neighborhood, so I usually just shop there. But one of these days I'll get that.